Unit 10. Nature. Listen and point.
Look at the whale. It's big and black.
But this whale is small and gray.
Look at the dolphins. They are playing. They are friendly.
But the sharks aren't friendly. Look at their teeth. I don't like sharks.
Seahorses are beautiful. Look, this seahorse is yellow.
I like pigeons. This gray pigeon is small.
I like seagulls. They are on the beach.
Look at the ladybird.
Where is it?
It's on the frog.
It is red and black. I like ladybirds.
Look at this ladybird. It is black and yellow.
Oh no! It isn't a ladybird. It's a bee.
Sorry.